And how to measure the temperature. We often say the soup is hot or the ice cream is very cold. But have you ever wondered what makes the soup hot or the ice cream cold? Some objects are hotter than the other, like the soup on the left side is hotter than the soup on the right side. Some objects are colder than the other, like this ice cream is colder than this cold drink. So, what makes things hotter or colder? When you get fever, your body becomes hotter than the normal. To know how hot your body has become, your mother puts a thermometer in your mouth or under the arms. Temperature is the quantity that tells us how hot or cold an object is. So the temperature is degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place. Like the boiling water is very hot as it has high temperature, and ice cream is very cold as it has very low temperature. When we put a pot of water on the stove and heat it, its temperature rises. The heat is form of energy and it is the cause of temperature. It means temperature is an expression of heat energy. Hot water becomes cold when it releases heat. So, cold water has lesser heat energy than the hot water. Thus, coldness is caused by the absence of heat energy. Thus, when heat energy flows into the body, it warms up the body. And when it flows out of a body, it cools the body. Now, how to measure temperature? When we touch an object, we can say whether it is hot or cold. The sense of touch can estimate the temperature, but we cannot rely on the touch for the right measurement of temperature. Besides, we shouldn't touch things which are very hot, like the boiling water, as you may get burned. Hence, there are instruments to measure the temperature accurately, which is the thermometer. Now, the thermometer is used to measure temperature. But what is the unit of temperature? Just like we have different units to measure the length, say inch, centimeter, meter, etc., we have different units to measure the temperature. One of the unit of temperature is degree Celsius. Like the temperature on a summer noon was 41 degrees Celsius. The normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius. When we have fever, it means our body is hotter than the normal. You must have seen or used the clinical thermometer used to measure the body temperature. If you look closely, you would find a scale starting from 94 till 108. Here F is written besides the scale. F stands for Fahrenheit. This is another unit of temperature, and our normal body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit.